What's Will gonna do?
I can't bring
What's he gonna do?
the video. No, I'm gonna put this on my phone.
He just won't do it now. Hold on.
Alright,
You
record, alright.
So gross.
Eat it! Eat it!
What is he eating?
He's eating a whole stick of butter. Eat it! Eat it!
Ew, you had a whole stick of butter?
Eat it!
Okay. You wanna go spit that out in the trash can?
Eat it! Swallow it. Open your mouth.
Josh, he's gonna throw up all over the place. There's a trash can over there.
Well,
Yeah, a whole stick of butter. Eat it.
No, don't do it. He's gonna throw up. It'd be so gross.
while we're waiting for class drive.
That's horrible. Oh.
Are we done here? Ew! He's just spinning around the chair with it.
No, that's awesome. Oh my God, puke over there.
Okay, go spit it out. Dude, don't swallow it. It's gonna make you sick. It's like pure fat. Josh, turn down your emo
No, you
music.
cannot iron your clothes.
Turn down.
It's
Video
not emo
continue
music.
to. Yeah, it is.
It's
It's
hardcore
screamo.
music.
It's X-core. Hey, put it near this. I want to see if you can hear it. No, yeah, speak in it. Screamo. All right. Did you spit it out? Did you eat it? How was it?
Salt.